Welcome to the home of English. Today, in this grammar session, let's discuss present continuous tense. Please watch the 3 grammar lessons which are already uploaded in the grammar playlist. Let's start. English grammar tenses. The present continuous tense. The structure of the tense is subject plus is, am or are plus V4 of the verb, that is ing form of the verb. This we have already discussed in the previous lessons. So there is an example. She is writing a letter. So the form is subject plus is plus V4 form, that is ing form of write. Now let's see the cases of present continuous tense. Normally, a present continuous tense is used for an action in progress at the time of speaking. When we are speaking, if some action is progressing at that time, then we use this present continuous tense. See the example. He is looking for a new job. So this is a progressive action happening right now. So he is looking for a new job. It is raining outside. Another progressive action. Second case, it also expresses a future action or a definite arrangement in the near future. See the example. They are going to get married tomorrow. A future action or a definite arrangement that is happening tomorrow. They are going to get married tomorrow. Second one, we are planning to buy a new car. So that is also a future action and a definite arrangement. Third one, a present continuous tense is used in a sentence with the word always expressing an idea which is not to the liking of the speaker. I repeat, a present continuous tense is used in a sentence with the word always expressing an idea which is not to the liking of the speaker. It will be clear when you see this example. He is always torturing his subordinate. See, this is a present continuous tense because is plus torturing, ing form of torture. And there is always in between. So that means the speaker is saying something which is not to the liking of because he is always torturing his subordinates. The speaker doesn't like it. That's why he is using the present continuous. She is always praising her boss. Here also present continuous and there is always in between. And it is not to the liking of the speaker because she is praising her boss. The speaker doesn't like it. The fourth case, a present continuous tense is not used. See here, it is not used. Present continuous is not used if the verb is non-progressive. Non-progressive means a stative verb. There are some examples of stative verbs. So let's see types of stative verbs or non-progressive verbs. First one, verbs of perception. Perception means sensing something. See the examples. See, taste, smell, hear, prefer, please. All these are verbs of perceptions. See the example. I see a bright star in the sky. So here we are not using the present continuous. We cannot say I am not I am seeing a bright star in the sky. We have to say I see a bright star in the sky because see is a verb of perception. Second one, the flower smells good. Here also you should not use is smelling because it's a perception, smell. The flower smells good. Second, stative verb, verbs of thinking process. The words are think, know, mean, mind. All these are verbs of thinking process. See the example, I think he is innocent. So here the verb is think. So we are not using present continuous, we are using simple present. I think he is innocent. We cannot use I am thinking. I think he is innocent. That is right. Third one, verbs showing possession. The words are own, have, belong, comprise, possess, contain. Own, have, belong, comprise, possess, contain. All these are stative verbs showing possession. See the example, I own a car. It's a verb showing possession. Here we cannot use I am owning a car. That is wrong. I own a car. That is right. Fourth one, verbs of emotions or feelings. The words are believe, like, love, want, wish, desire, hate. All these words are verbs of emotions or feelings. So with these words also we never use the present continuous. Example, he likes ice cream. This is a feeling. So we are not using he is liking. He is liking ice cream is wrong. We have to say he likes ice cream. Fifth one, verbs in general. There are some general words, look, seem, appear, affect, resemble, cost, require, stand, face, become. So with these general words of stative verbs, we never use the present continuous. There are some examples. The earth appears to be flat. That is right. Appears. It is in simple present. We cannot use is appearing. The earth is appearing to be flat is wrong. We need to say the earth appears to be flat. Again, the boy resembles his father. Resembles is in simple present. We cannot use is resembling. The boy is resembling his father. That is wrong. We have to say the boy resembles his father. See this practice exercise. See the sentences. We are hearing the bell and we hear the bell. Here the first one is wrong, second one is right. Because here it is a verb of perception. So we have to say we hear the bell. First one is wrong. Second, this house belongs to me. This house is belonging to me. The second one is wrong. Because belongs, that is a verb of possession. So we need to use simple present, not present continuous. So first one is right. This house belongs to me. Third one, the temple is standing in the heart of the city. The temple stands in the heart of the city. First one is wrong, second one is right. The verb is a general word that we already discussed. The temple stands in the heart of the city. That is right. Fourth one, the book contains 6 chapters. The book is containing 6 chapters. The first one is right, second one is wrong. This is also, that is contain, is a verb of possession. So we never use present continuous, we are using simple present. The book contains 6 chapters. There is a note. When we use words like while, still, at the moment, presently, now, etc., use present continuous tense. So if in a sentence there are words while, still, at the moment, presently, now, etc., then we use the present continuous tense. See the examples. It is still raining. See, still is used, so the sentence will be present continuous. It is still raining. They are fighting now. Now, it is a progressive action happening now. So we are saying they are fighting now. Similarly, the other words also, at the moment something is happening. Now, presently I am holding a quarters. Now let's see the difference in usage of a verb as both a stative verb and a progressive verb. So we have already seen, if it is a progressive verb, then we have to use the present continuous. If it is a stative verb, then we never use the present continuous. So see, as a stative verb we are using here, as a progressive verb below this. First one, the rose smells sweet. It's a perception. So the sentence is right. The rose smells sweet. We cannot say the rose is smelling sweet. That is wrong. We have to say the rose smells sweet. He is smelling a red rose. So that is a progressive action. He is smelling a red rose. So we can use the present continuous there because it is a progressive action. Second one, I love my sister. This is an emotion or feeling. So simple present, not present continuous. Here, she is loving her daughter. So here also it is used as a progressive verb. So present continuous is used and it is right. Third one, I think he's a miser. It's a thinking process. So we cannot use the present continuous. We use simple present there. I think he's a miser. That is right. I am thinking of leaving Delhi. Here, a progressive action. I am thinking of leaving Delhi. I feel a stomach ache. So a feeling. So not present continuous, simple present. That's right. The nurse is feeling the forehead of the patient. So it is a progressive action. The nurse is feeling the forehead of the patient. As it is a progressive verb, we are using present continuous. You may revise the lesson once or twice. Now we have covered the tenses, simple present and present continuous. So there are 5 questions for you. Let's discuss. They dash on the ground now. Options play, are playing. Since it is a progressive action, are playing is right. They are playing on the ground. Second one, he dash cricket every Sunday. See, every Sunday. That shows a habitual action. So we must use simple present. That is plays. He plays cricket every Sunday. Third one, my brother dash next week. This is a definite arrangement. So we have to use present continuous. He is arriving, has arrived. He is arriving is right. My brother is arriving next week. Fourth one, I dash this. Am not meaning, don't mean. It's a thinking process. So I don't mean this. That is right. I don't mean this. Not I am not meaning this. Fifth one, she dash lunch now. Has or is having. It's a progressive action. So we use present continuous. That is having. She is having lunch now. So here ends our session. Please like, subscribe, and press the bell button for all notifications and share. See you in the next lesson. Thank you.